Welcome to Chalatech YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about the Samsung Galaxy S20 series. New leaks reveals all the specifications of Samsung Galaxy S20. The Galaxy S20 series is expected to arrive at Samsung's Unpacked event next month. The lineup is rumored to include the Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, and S20 Ultra with a separate 5G version for each. Several features of the S20 series have been leaked in the past few weeks, but now we have detailed specification of all three phones. Display. If we talk about the display, all three phones will feature a 120Hz refresh rate on the top of the Infinity Zero center punch hole design. Dynamic AMOLED screen with a 2K resolution. The screen size will be 6.2 to 7.5 and 6.9 for the S20, S20 Plus, and S20 Ultra respectively. If we talk about the internal storage, depending on the region, the phones will be removed by the Exynos 990 SoC or the Snapdragon 865. The S20 and S20 Plus will feature 128 GB of the UHS 3.0 storage, while the S20 Ultra will offers up to 512 GB of storage space. There is no mention of RAM capacity in this leak, but previous leaks suggested 12 GB going up to 16 GB for the top of the line S20 Ultra 5G. Now we talk about the cameras. The S20 and S20 Plus will have identical camera specification, including our 12 megapixel main camera and the 64 megapixel telephoto, a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens, and additional TOF sensors. These will be capable of 3x optical zoom, up to the 30x digital zoom, and the 8K video recording at the 30 fps. Both will have a 10 megapixel front cameras capable of 4K videos at 60 fps. The S20 Ultra will be the one of the only that a series of feature a 1 to 108 megapixel main lens. Other primary camera specifications will mostly be the same, with the exceptions of 10x optical zoom and 100x digital zoom. The front camera on the S20 Ultra will be the 40 megapixel shorter. If we talk about the battery, the S20 Ultra will carry a massive 500 MHz battery, while the other two S20 variant will have a 4500. It means 4500 mAh each. All three phones are expected to come with a 45-watt super-fast charging and wireless charging technology. That is about all that was revealed in the leak, but we expect to hear much more, such as an expected price tag and launch date. Draw near, stay tuned for the updates. Thanks for watching this video. We'll be back soon with another excited video.